Hi, welcome today for making words. Today we need A, E, D, R, T, and if you don't have these letters, like magnetic, you can write them on a piece of paper and cut them out. Now we're going to do our sounds. A, E, D, T.
Very good. Okay. And also today you're going to, when you have your letter, we will be doing some names. So you'll need a capital E and a capital T for some names that we're going to do today. After we do our making words, we'll write the words on a piece of paper and then we'll sort them. We'll cut them out and sort them.
So need piece of paper, and you can do cut up paper if you want to.
Okay.
Paper and pencil.
All right, let's get started. All right, take two letters and make the name Ed. Ed. Pretty easy start. Write that word Ed down.
Ed.
I give you a pencil. Use a pencil, please. Great. The next word, after you write Ed down, change the vowel and make it say add. I found this car through an ad in the paper.
Add.
Right. Now there's another kind of add, and that's when you add numbers together to make more, and that would be two D's. But this one's just like an advertisement. Ad. Okay? Write that down. Okay, number three. Change one letter. Eliana, put the D back. Change one letter and add to make at. We are at school. We are at home. At. And when you can make at, you can make tons of words.
Yes.
Because that's our word family that rhymes.
Tap, tap.
Now, we're going to add one letter to at to change the vowel a to a to make it say ate. We ate breakfast this morning. Ate.
We ate chips for lunch.
Isn't that cool what the E can do? It makes a vowel. It makes it the long sound where it says its name, A. Okay? Start over. We're going to start all over. We're going to make the word red. Red. Her car is bright red. Red. Not that you read a book. The color, red.
Red. You don't say like that, you say
That's rad, Andrina. She has R-A-D. We want to say red.
Red.
Okay, so we just wrote the word red down. Hopefully you got that on your piece of paper. Okay, we're going to change just the first letter to make it a name. Ted. Ted ate all the cereal. Ted. So make it. It's a name. Yep.
Ted.
And write that down. We're going to spell one more three-letter word. This word is rat. The rat ate all the cereal. Rat. Has the at chunk in it.
He ate cereal for breakfast. Some of us.
Let's hear what. Sound that out, please, for us.
Rat.
Now, how would you change rat to rate? Don't tell me. Show me. How would you change rat to rate? Very good. Add a letter, the E at the end of the word, rat, to make it say rate. How would you rate our team this year? Rate. Okay, change the first letter in rate to make date. Date.
Like the date that you
What is today's date?
Oh! And then there's also like an eat date.
The fruit is also spelled the same way. Date. Write that word down. Date. Now it's time for our secret word. I want you to move those letters around and see what you come up with. My first hint is it does end with the silent E, and it will make a vowel say its name. So move those letters around, see what you come up with. Dater, it's not that one. That's a really good idea, but I said it ends with an E.
What's the first letter though?
I said it ends with an E, so that wouldn't work. Move those letters around. It doesn't have date. It's not date. It ends with the letter E though.
What about the first one?
I'm not going to tell you that yet. I want you to try to move things around at home too. Move letters around. Don't wait for us to show it to you.
Dart?
Well, that wouldn't say dart.
Dater.
Mm-mm. So clearly having the D first isn't working out for you, is it? Okay. Okay, my next hint to you. Andrina has it. Andrina has it. It starts with the tr, like trip. T-R.
Trade?
1, 2, 3.
Trade?
Trade. You
What?
got it.
But that's a hard one.
Andrina, you got it before your big sister did. Way to go.
That was hard. Oh gosh.
Like, for example, Andrina likes to trade toys with Eliana and play.
Right.
Trade.
We trade gum when we get different packs.
Today we're going to do our sorts. If you haven't already, cut your letters out and get ready for our sort. We're going to be doing rhyming words for our sort today. We're back. We're going to do our sort. So hopefully you've scissored out and cut out your words.
Yes.
Put them in front of you. And as we read them, I want you to use your eyes and use your ears to find the words that have the same word family, or what we call rhymes, at the end of a word. So let's read it slowly. Ready? Here we go. Ed, at, date, trade, Ted, rat, rate, 8.
Red. Add.
Okay, let's see how we sort it.
Can I sort it
Ready,
today?
go. Sort.
Okay, this is one family with the ed in it.
Mm-hmm.
Ed, head, bread. This is the at family. At, rat.
Can you think of another word
This
that
is
would go with this at family? Like, it's not up there, but can you think of one off the top of your head?
Mat.
A word? Mat.
tat.
Okay,
Cat.
what about 2 letters in the front?
Plat.
Plat, not a word, but yep.
Tat.
Okay.
Trat.
What about if we add full?
Flat.
Flat, okay. The
Okay,
next
this is the
family.
8 family, like the at. Kind of.
So it's actually the 8. So those rhyme. 8. Let's hear it. 8. Date. Rate. So 8, date, rate. Do you hear that with your ears? You see it with your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you've got some little guys down there that don't actually go in.
And add.
Next we're going to take one word at least. I'm trying to get my girls to take 2 words or 3 words to write a sentence with them. So go ahead and get your paper and pencil ready to write a sentence. Andrina, what sentence are you writing?
I trade my
Here, put those words up so we can see them.
I
I trade my
fish for a red dog.
Okay, go ahead and get started writing those. Let me hear you.
I
Ed.
ed
That's right, you put your E at the end to make the A say its name. Oh, you're forgetting one thing at the end of your sentence. Very good. Okay, Eliana, what's your sentence?
the rat ate at the store.
Okay, get started.
Okay.
Let me hear you though.
The rat ate at the store. Is there any?
Mm-hmm.
I used
Well,
rat,
let's think about it.
and I used
Let's go back to the word
ate, and
store.
I used at.
You said, is there E there? Does the O say its name?
No.
O.
Yes.
Does it say O? Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
I used rat, ate, and at.
Great.
Bye! I hope you enjoyed making words today. Click